Hi there! Here is the newly launched Fire-Boltt Dazzle Plus. In a sea of smartwatches that come with Bluetooth calling, this one doesn't. Hang on. I know there are a lot of people who don't want Bluetooth calling on their watch because sometimes the clarity is not good enough, sometimes it's more of a distraction, and mostly it drains your watch battery a lot faster. But of course, you get call alerts on this watch where you can reject or silent an incoming call. So for those, the Fire-Boltt Dazzle Plus is perfect. It's priced at just $15.99, making it a very interesting device. So let's quickly unbox it, see its huge 1.81-inch display and more. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the Fire-Boltt Dazzle Plus. You can see the image of the watch, 1.81-inch display, 60 plus sports modes. Here you can see the manufacturing details and the MRP of $11,999. But don't worry, you can get this for just $1,599. Just amazing. Let's quickly unbox it. Right on the top is the user manual in English, the watch itself. Then you have some more paperwork, the membership card, the warranty card. Then you have a surprise coupon code for Book My Show, and you have 3 months of Ghana subscription as well. And finally, the Pogo pin charging cable that magnetically align and attaches to the charging terminals. Let's have a closer look at the watch. Now, first thing you see is you get a square dial with a metal frame. And the metal frame comes with this nice brushed metal finish which doesn't attract any fingerprints or smudges. Also check out how thin the watch is. On the other side, there's a single button, soft silicone straps with a buckle design. You can see the Fire-Boltt branding on the buckle. Moving towards the back too actually is made of metal. The center section is made of plastic and houses the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor and the charging terminals below. You can replace these bands with any third-party bands. Simply pull this hook mechanism to release. Very convenient. Now overall, a really well-built watch. Let's quickly pair it. Now you take your phone and you go to the Play Store and search for the app DaFit. This app is also available for iOS devices for iPhones. Click open, go to the second option, click on add devices and press and hold this button on the side for a couple of seconds. There'll be a vibration alert and you can see BSW37. Click on this and there you go. The pairing process is complete. The watch comes with IP68 rating, so you can wear it in the rain, at the gym, for a run or even while taking a shower. In fact, you can even wear it while you swim, as it also comes with swim tracking on board. So let's have a closer look at the display. Now this is a 1.81-inch LCD display with a resolution of 240 by 280 pixels. Now even though this is not a very high resolution display, you can read even the smallest text very clearly. The color reproduction is really good, as you can see here in this grid style menu. Looks really nice. Blacks too are really deep, check this out. Also use this watch outdoors briefly. The display gets bright enough to be used outdoors under direct sunlight. Let's have a quick look at the interface. Swipe right to access the pedometer, steps taken, the sleep tracking, heart rate, SpO2, exercise, weather, camera shutter to take pictures from your phone camera, music player to control the music that's playing on your phone. Press the button on the right to come back to the home page. Swipe right to access the menu. Now this is the grid style menu. I know a lot of people really like this, but if you're confused, you can actually swipe from down and access the same menu in list style. Messages, steps, sleep tracking, exercise, heart rate, SpO2, weather, shutter, player, breathe app, flashlight and settings. If you go into the settings, you can have stopwatch, you have the alarm, you have the countdown, you can control the brightness, vibration on off, theater mode, reset, power off and about. Overall, I can say that the interface is really smooth, very responsive and super easy to navigate. You can also actually have access to quick toggles on the top. You can control the brightness, settings, torch and theater mode. Really convenient. Now let's talk about watch faces. So you press and hold and there are a couple that come pre-installed. Check this out. Looks amazing. That's the Virat Kohli watch face. Now if you want to install some more watch faces, you simply go to the DaFit app. You go to the watch face options and here you can see the watch faces that come pre-installed. Further down you'll find more watch face. Click on this. Now here you'll find a huge collection of watch faces. Check that out. Over 100 plus watch faces to download from here. Analog, digital, lots of new designs and so much more that you can explore. Now let's just set one. We're coming to this and we click download. And there you go, the watch face is set. Now similarly, you can also set custom watch faces. Come to this edit option and choose image from the phone gallery. You can even change the font color. Click save. There you go, custom watch face has been set. Coming to health monitoring. So we wore the watch and first we checked the heart rate and then followed by the SpO2. Now both these readings seem to be pretty accurate, but I always say these are just smartwatches and not medical equipment. So use the readings just for your reference and home testing only. We also received call alerts on this watch, and as you can see, it was almost instantaneous. You can see the caller's name with an option to reject the call or silent the ringer. There's no way to answer the call on this watch. Similarly, you also receive app notifications, which too are instantaneous. You can see the sender's name, you can see the app icon, and you can also read the message on the watch display. Sadly, there's no way to reply. The watch comes with over 60 plus workouts. All you need to do is go into the menu, come to exercise, click on plus, and you'll see walking, you'll see running, you'll see cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football, swimming, climbing, tennis, rugby, golf, yoga, workout, dancing, baseball, elliptical training, indoor cycling. My god, huge collection. Click on the plus option, you have many more water sports, sailing, water polo, paddle boat, water skiing, kayaking, rafting, rowing. My god, outdoor activities. Then you have rock climbing, you have skateboarding, roller skating, ATV, parkour. There's so much more. Dance, combat sports, there's ball sports, there's winter sports, recreational sports, and others. Now as you start your workout, there is a countdown. So we briefly wore it for a short workout. You can see the time, you can see the steps taken, the distance, the calories burned, and the beats per minute right there on the watch display. Coming to the battery. Well, we don't have the exact size of the battery, but Fire-Boltt claims it should last for about 10 days with typical use. But with heavy use, you should get a week easily. Always remember, battery life will depend on how you use the device, display brightness levels, workouts you're using, the notifications you're getting, and continuous heart rate monitoring. So let's have a quick look at the Dafit companion app. Right here on the home page, you can see all your workout and health related data, steps, sleep tracking, heart rate, SpO2, outdoor running. In the second option in devices, you can see the battery percentage. You can change watch faces from here. Then you can go into the notifications option and choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Then you have alarms that you can set directly from the app itself. Camera shutter button where you can take pictures from the phone's camera using the watch. Then you have other options where you can change the time format, unit system. You can set the continuous heart rate detection to off, or you can even set the time intervals. Further down, language, auto lock timing, quick view, drink water reminder, heart rate warning, weather, menstrual cycle reminder for women. Further here in the last option, you can see profiles, goals, and you can also share data with Google Fit, which I think is an amazing feature to have. So overall, I can say that the app interface is smooth and really easy to use. Alright, final thoughts. The Fire-Boltt Dazzle Plus is a simple yet solid smartwatch. There's no Bluetooth calling, but surely you'll get call alerts and app notifications on the watch. Apart from that, there's a huge 1.81-inch display, 60 plus sports modes, 100 plus watch faces, heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, and a metal body, all for just $15.99. I think it's a really good deal. I'll leave the links for all the color variants in the description. If you'd like to buy one or two, you should definitely check it out. So this was it, guys. If there are any questions, leave them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.